Bro, it's the same song. That's 3 songs. Kanye West, Lil Yachty, and Stunna4vegas. Y'all got me fucked up. Y'all got me fucked up. This is public service announcement. None of you rappers call my phone no more, please. Like y'all niggas sending me songs and with Kanye, this shit your fault. Before this Donda album shit, nobody wasn't trying Big Draco like that. Now you got Lil Yachty sending me songs and taking me off the song. You got Stunna4vegas sending me songs and putting the songs out with Big Yavo. And it's going on around here.